So the other day, my wife and I decided to go out for a drive. And of course, I always want to work in a drone flight, right? So yeah, we had this nice, relaxing drive to one of my favorite places in the world called Blakeney Rapids. And we also went to a little town just beyond that called Pakenham. And this was a day that was a Canadian holiday, so there were a lot of people there. Normally when I go to these spots, they're absolutely empty, and I usually have the place to myself, but that wasn't the case on this day. And anyway, we had a really good time and some nice flights. Let's check it out.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na 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 na. Shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.